Good morning, student. I am Ovi Kamri, the Assistant Professor of Electronics from Computer Science Department. Welcome to our e-learning platform. In a previous video, we discussed the cloud computing, and in this video, we discuss the another point of IoT architecture, that is IoT communication protocol. That means, in simple word, IoT protocols. IoT protocols help to establish communication between IoT devices. It helps to send command to the IoT device and receive data from the IoT device over the internet. In a telecommunication, a communication protocol is a system of rules that allow two or more entries of communication system to transmit information via any key of variations of physical quantity. The protocol defines rule, syntax, semantics, and synchronization of communication and people error recovery method. Protocol may be implemented by hardware, software, or a combination of both. In simple word, we can say that to communicate with the devices through the another device via internet, we use some protocols. Protocols means rules. From network and communication point of view, IoT can be viewed as a combination of different networks. In IoT protocol, there are four layers. First, physical and link layer. Second, network layer. Third, transport layer. And fourth, application layer. Let's discuss all these layers one by one. First, we see the diagram. In a physical layer and data link layer, the device or the protocols get, which are ZigBee, BLE, Wi-Fi, LoRa, NFC, cellular, as well as Z-Wave. And in network layer, the protocols come IPv4, IPv6, IPsec, ICMP, 6LoWPAN. In transport layer, the two protocols are TCP and UDP. In application layer, we see HTTP, MQTT, COAP, AMQP, XMPP. Let's discuss all these layers one by one. First layer, physical link layer. Physical and link layer. In this layer, which has a sensor for sensing and gathering information about the environment. Means in physical layer we have sensors which gather the information from environment for us via internet. It sends some physical parameters or identities or other smart object in the environment. And in link layer, the IoT data link protocols are used to connect low power IoT device. This protocol provide point-to-point communication with the hardware at the user side without any internet connection. Connectivity in IoT data protocol is through a wired or a cellular network. This is about the physical and link layer. And about the link layer, we can say that link layer protocol determines low data is physically sent over the network, physical layer or a medium. That means the medium used to send the data, those are coaxial cable, radio waves or any other medium. This layer determines how the packets are coded, signed by the hardware device over the medium to which host is attached. Next layer is network layer. The IoT network protocol are used to connect device over the network. These are the sets of communication protocol typically used over the internet. Using IoT network protocol, end-to-end data communication within the scope of network is allowed. In another word, we can say about network layer is that responsible for sending of IP datagrams from the source network to the destination network. In simple word, network layer perform the host addressing and packet routing. Next layer is transport layer. This layer The transport layer is content between two endpoints mainly. The TCP and UDP protocol are used in a transport layer. In another way, this layer, that means transport layer, provide functions such as error control, segmentation, flow control, and the information control. So this layer protocol provide end-to-end message transfer capability independent of the underlying network. This is the function of transport layer. Next is last layer, application layer. The HTTP, SMTP and FTP protocol are used in application layer. It is used to send data over a multiple and end devices. We can say that application layer protocol define how the application interface with the low layer protocols to send over the network. Thank you. Keep watching my video.